Jeff here. I want to talk to you today about maintaining your butcher blocks and your cutting boards. There's a lot of products on the market to help you preserve and maintain. These are two of my favorites. Mystery oil, I never get enough of this stuff. It's made in the USA, it's NSF certified. Food safe, won't hurt you. Preserves and maintains the blocks. I oil mine about every month. And board cream. Same type of product. This product has a lot more beeswax in it, so it's a little bit thicker, all natural formula, good for the wood and good for you. Won't hurt anything. So these are two of my favorites. I'm going to show you very quickly how I maintain my blocks, and I do this all the time. Probably more than once a month I'm maintaining my blocks with this oil. So I've got an open one here. You can see I've been using it. I just put a little bit on the block like so. And I use a plastic bag squished up. Rub it around in a circular motion and do the whole block, especially where your cutting and chopping is. And do it in the evening. The next day, it's going to be like dry. Great stuff. You can pick it up on the site. And one more thing, end grain. If you have end grain blocks, end grain is the same deal. The only difference really is that it soaks up a little bit more. So with end grain, you might put a little bit more of the oil or the cream, rub it around in a circular motion, and as you can see, just while I'm doing this application here, it's starting to soak in. By tomorrow, this block will be close to dry. Absorbs all that oil very quickly, very easily. This is one of our Diamico blocks, and you can pick one of these up on the site. Same deal. This was actually oiled yesterday. You can see how the oil has penetrated the surface, and it's almost dry to the touch right now. So you just apply a little bit, give it a circular motion like so, and by the next day, it's going to be dry. Very important that you maintain your cutting surfaces, and please visit your sponsor and have a beautiful day. Again, that's chefdebo.com. With this glove on, you have full protection. No cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow. It protects. That's what it's all about. Safety. Yeah. Made in America. Made in USA. Only at your sponsor right there. Yeah. Check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh, yeah. It's going to be good. Yeah, you gotta have that. in one of the kitchens with one of these cutting boards, and almost every week or bi-weekly,
People ask me, Chef, how do you clean that cutting board? So that's what I'm gonna touch on here right now. So this is a rock maple board. It's reversible. It's 20 by 15 by 2 1/4. And it's one of these. Really good quality here. I like it. This one's been used for a long, long time. Maybe more than 6 or 7 years, I think. So as it gets dirty, we're using the bench scraper to scrape it off, just like this. Any residue that's left, you can just put on a paper towel and you can see it right there. Okay, towel dry it, that's good. All right. Tell by looking at this, the board's getting a little bit dry. It's ready for an application of mystery oil. There's another product, a little thicker, that has a little more beeswax. That's the board cream. Good stuff. Shake it up. I've got more tricks. Watch some of the other videos. More tricks with this too. We shake it up. We put it on in a swirling motion like this. Okay. And we use a plastic bag because it can be recycled. And I don't want any fire hazard or anything around, floating around, any used product. Plastic bag, recycle. Circular motion like this. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm almost done. Alright. So, that's it. This surface has been treated. You can do the sides if you'd like. Oh, this end grain surface is very similar. Same thing. Bench scraper. Give it a little scrape. Remove any food particles or dirt that might be on there. Oh yeah, look at all that. Some of this is spices, by the way, okay? This is good to go. Yeah, and now you repeat with a little bit of this magical mystery oil. Just a little bit like this. Plastic bag, recyclable. Swirling motion. There, oh yeah, looking good. That surface is treated and it's ready to go. I would repeat this at least monthly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe right there. Smash that little like button so other people find the videos. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. Oh yeah, it's looking really, really good. Check out the huge selection at your sponsor. Edge grain, end grain, maple, cherry, walnut, big blocks, small blocks, countertops, island tops, cutting boards, and many, many other wood products and applications. Thanks for watching. Check it out. They do custom sizes. They do edge grain, end grain, maple, walnut, cherry, islands, counters, tables, cutting boards, chopping blocks, and these babies last for a long, long time. This one here is at least 20 years used. You can see just how nice it is. The patina, the quality, wow, I like it. And it's a pleasure to chop on. Yeah, visit your sponsors. So you're in the market for maple countertops. Why not go with the best the first time? Select solid rock maple, full rails, or blended North American hard rock maple is ideal for a countertop surface, islands, tables, backsplashes. Buy the best the first time and choose food-safe Varnique finish or natural mineral oil. Check it out at your sponsor. Wow! Just like that. And I'm going to work it in a plastic bag here, a little swirl motion like this. Okay, work it in real good. If your block's really dry, it's going to suck that oil right up. This particular block has not been oiled in a while, so it's sucking it right up really quick. You can see that. It's penetrating. Yeah. Check out the sponsor, All Things Butcher Block. As seen on TV and used by chefs and food service professionals around the world. Check it out at the sponsor. They're having a free shipping sale, and wow, it's the best. The best butcher blocks made in the USA, as seen on TV. Contact the sponsor for yours.